Okay, got it here. The floor in this chair. I don't think he had a stroke or anything. I came down there and closed this garage door, but thank God I got that supercharger, and the high performance 4x4 transmission. I was doing 110 miles an hour down the tollway. Anyway, let's see. Is it okay? There we go. I don't know if he left it up or what, but anyway, I'll go back up there and hang out with him for a little bit. We have Canterbury.